So good.
Why did you apply for placement at the Centre for Drug Development?
For me, I really liked my oncology lectures at uni. I wasn't very keen on doing something in the labs. I quite liked being in the office, like working with people, being able to do a lot of things, not just lab work.
What stood out for CDD was that because Cancer Research UK is a charity, it's different than if we were to apply to a placement at a big pharmaceutical company. It's going to be a different experience, and we're going to develop all these different skills that maybe we wouldn't get in a big pharmaceutical company. So what have you enjoyed most about your placement so far?
Definitely that there's 4 of us. It's been quite nice and it's not as daunting, you know, just going in by yourself into a new team. I think the fact that all of us, you know, we came in on the same day, we all had the same introductions, I think that was quite nice.
The office is less scary than I thought.
It's quite a collaborative environment, isn't it?
Everyone's, you know, having a bit of a laugh and then getting back to it. I mean, everyone's still getting their work done, but it's not as serious, strict as you think.
What I've enjoyed most about the placement is just applying what we learnt in university, I guess, in the first couple of years of uni. Applying that theory into like the work that your team and other teams around you are doing, how that affects real patients. I think that's really rewarding.
What do you think you've gained from your role?
I think the main thing is definitely building my confidence. We gave a talk in front of the whole of Cancer Research UK, and like, even though it was 2 minutes, if we were at uni, we wouldn't have been able to do that.
And I definitely feel like when we go back into our 3rd year, our time management will be really good. Being able to split up your time between tasks, I think that's a good skill to have in 3rd year, especially when we're writing our dissertation.
Another thing that we've all gained is like being exposed to so many different clinical trials. With my role, it's as if we get to know the patients without actually getting to know the patients. I think that's in itself is rewarding. What would you say to someone who's looking to apply?
I'd say we've used our uni knowledge in a different way to what I thought. It's more about understanding meetings. The more technical some of the meetings are, they're the ones I understand the most because I can actually use my biomedical knowledge.
I also think it sets you up really well for 3rd year and then a career beyond that, because there's parts of your job where you can identify this is something I want to do in the future, or maybe it is something I don't enjoy.
If you're thinking about placement but you're not 100% sure, I would say go for it, because at the end of the day you're going to come out of it with so many more skills and experience than if you didn't go for it.
I'd say my favourite part of uni, ironically, was coming away from uni to do my placement year.
No, it's true.
Yeah, it's true.